So in the previous video you seen how to make a movement for a camera according to the player. So like this we have done in the previous video. So in this video we are going to see how to make a shoot system for a player. So let's create a sprite and then search for a bullet. It's called fire. Just drag and drop the sprite and then rename to player bullet. Okay, and then add a sorting layer called a player tag. Okay, and just copy and paste the z axis. So now you can able to see the bullet. Okay, next thing is we want to make a rotation, and let's little bit decrease the size and make some rotation. Okay, so make sure that you just have a rotation 180, or you can go minus 180. 180 is fine, I think. Okay, so it will go like this after adding a scripting system. So let's add some more components. Okay, so let's add box collider 2D and then make a trigger enable and add a rigid body 2D. And for rigid body 2D you need to remove the gravity scales because we are going to control programmatically. So it play and see everything work fine. Yeah, it's fine. So next what we are going to do is we are going to add a tag for a bullet, because we are going to have two types of bullet, one was player enemy. So we want to find which type of bullet, that's why I am adding a tag. So just tag the player bullet with player bullet tag. Okay, everything has been set now. So go to the drag and drop to the prefab and delete from the hierarchy. So that's it. So in the next video we'll see how to make a bullet projectile for a player, and thank you.